You make the day what you bring, to either lose or win. So sink or swim, sink or swim. So are you going out on a win, or gonna lose everything? You either sink or swim, sink or swim. She says she wishing for trophies and Dom Perignon. Despite her efforts, she's stressing and can't carry on. Told me she don't know what else to do. Sometimes you gotta just see it through. You got the power in your hands and you gotta stay strong. Cause if you loosen your grip, then it could be all gone. Trust me, I know it, I've been there too. So this is what I'm telling you. You make the day what you bring.